Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Infinix Smart 7. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store, then in the search find the Firefox. We can install it. When it's ready, click on the open. And here's the setup, so you can choose your theme, pick a toolbar placement, then sign in to turn on synchronization, change between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.